So I'm using 7mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn number 4. I will start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 90. So what I'm gonna do is take the hook out and place it in the beginning chain over here. Make sure the wrong side is facing me till I reach the end, and then turn it and insert the last loop. So when you insert the last loop, you slip stitch to the beginning. So your circle is right and it's all aligned. So now what I'm gonna do is chain 3 and then double crochet in the very first chain. This will be considered as the first V-stitch. Now I'm gonna skip 2. In the next chain I'm gonna make a double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, all in the same chain. I'm gonna skip 2 again. In the next chain, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same chain. I'm gonna repeat the same till the end of the round. Skip 2. In the next chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Come back to show you what to do in the next round. Don't forget to check the written pattern to follow along so it gets easier with the video. So here I'm at the end of the round. What I'm gonna do is join to the top of the initial chain 3 or chain 1 space. So this is how it is. This is a demonstration of it. So the real measurements, as always, are in the written pattern. Now, so this is my first V-stitch. What I'm gonna do, chain 3 again, and in this space a double crochet. So now from this round till the end of my work, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work the V-stitches on the chain 1 spaces, which are the previous V-stitches, all. Nothing in between the V-stitches. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the previous V-stitch and repeat. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in all the V-stitches. It is very simple to make and it's very quick. Within 2 hours maximum you'll be able to finish it. This is how it looks so far, and this is how it looks in the finished one. So this is total of 15 rows, rounds, sorry, 15 rounds done, and this is the result of it. It's very nice, it's cozy and warm, and it looks pretty. I hope you'll try it, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.